Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video, and my name is Courage from Ncourage Studio. So right now I am going to be sharing with you how I made my first 1 million naira from retouching online. Now a lot of people reach out to me that they want to make money online, they want to make money from retouching, and they don't know what to do. So now this video is just to share with you that you can make money online and you can make a lot of money. All right, so now the earnings I'm going to show you were what I made in 2019. All right, what I made in 2019, not now, because now the business has grown bigger than that, so you can also start somewhere. So where I made my money in 2019 majorly were from two platforms, and one of them is the Upwork. So now this is my page on Upwork. If you go to Upwork, if you check, you see. So when I was going to start, this online retouching thing, a lot of people told me I needed to change my location to US. I needed to change my identity and all of that. But you know, I didn't like that aspect. I wanted to be original. I wanted people to connect with me. So I know there are a lot of you that may have an Upwork account or a Fiverr account. Maybe you have a lady, as your DP, so that you can attract people. But I tell you the truth, just be original, be honest, be sincere. All right. So my location, I use Nigeria. I did all the verification, and this is what I earn. In fact, I stopped using Upwork like you know. Um, around that 2020 2021, because I got busy with my photography academy and my photography studio. So but 2019 and during the lockdown of 2020, I made a lot of money from Upwork, and you can see what I've earned so far, $2,500. And then if you go to my Fiverr account, this is my Fiverr account. You can see what I've earned from Fiverr, which is approximately $1,000. So you can see from both accounts I've made over $3,000. Now I want to tell you what I did to get this money. Number one thing you need to work on is to make sure you are skilled. Make sure you know how to retouch. Make sure your editing is good. All right. So a lot of people want to make money online, but they're not ready to invest into the skill. They're not ready to learn how to retouch very well, because a client that is willing to pay you $10 for a picture should be able to get a value worth $10. Not that you edit a picture and the person would would not like it and would be unable to use the picture. So the first thing is to learn. All right, so I have a class that is coming up that you guys can also register to learn. All right, it's called the Beginners Retouching Masterclass. It's going to hold online. So if you're interested, you can click the link on the comment section so that you can learn. All right, so I'm going to share a lot of things. You can see all the details right now, a lot of things that will change your retouching game. I tell you, there's a lot of money to be made from retouching. So another thing you need to do is to register on this platform like this. If you come to find work on Upwork, you'll see that people post jobs all the time. All right, it's just for you to see product photo. You can see there's a job available. I can go and apply for this particular job. Just read all the details and apply. I'll send my CV, send a little write-up, and yes, when they check and they see that I am good enough for the job, I can be contracted for the job. So that's how I made money from Upwork, by applying for a lot of jobs. I stayed on Upwork. Every 5 minutes I will refresh to see if there's a new job, so that I can always be part of the first people to apply for the job. So you can't register for Upwork and then you are not active online. You are supposed to be on Upwork constantly refreshing to see if there is a new job. So if a new job pops up, you just go quickly and you apply. If you're part of the first 10 people to apply for the job, there's every chance that you might get the job. All right, so and you can even land a long-term contract. That was part of the reason why I made such an amount of money. I had a long-term contract. I had some short-term contract, $10 here, $5 here, but then I had a bigger contract that was for like 3 months, and I was paid weekly. So I want you to know that. Then for Fiverr, if you register for Fiverr, now Fiverr is a bit different from the way Upwork is. All right, so For Fiverr, it will require you to create gigs. It will require you to create gigs. All right. When you create your gigs, you just find a way to promote your gig. So first thing is to make sure your gigs follow what we call the SEO. All right. The kind of writing, the description, the pricing, everything should be something that when somebody searches for photo editor, they should, there should be tendency that you'll be part of the people that will come up. Then another thing with Fiverr is that you have to try and generate clicks. You have to try and generate leads from other sources. So for example, I can take the gig I have. This is photo editing, photo retouching in 24 hours. So I can take the link of this particular gig and then share. When I click on share, I can copy the link and then post it on my Twitter, post it on my Instagram. The more people are clicking on it, the more chances for my gig to begin to rank, so that when somebody searches for photo editor on Fiverr, you will see that it will come up. So now I'm going to do a more detailed teaching on how you can create your Fiverr account and your Upwork account. All right. So now this particular client, if you're interested, I'm going to drop a link on the description of this video, so you can register. So I will guide you on a step-by-step way of creating your first Fiverr account and your first Upwork account. So if you're interested, leave a comment and click on the link of the Google form I am going to give to you. So now the third way you can also make money online is by building your portfolio. You're building your portfolio online. All right, building your portfolio online. So I'm going to use I think I have an example. There's a friend of mine called Retouch. Let me see if I can get his page. Retouching Noi. So now Retouching Noi, if you see his page, it won't be very difficult for him to get international gigs. Why? Because he already has, this guy is based in Nigeria, but however, he has a portfolio with a lot of images of people from the West that he has edited. Now, some of them are his clients, some of them are raw files that he got online. So you can get raw files online, edit them, and paste the pictures so that other people can see what you have done before. Now, if they cannot see your editing and how good you are, then they will not be able to contract you for a particular project. So you need to build your portfolio. Another thing you can do is to reach out to photographers. You see photographers who are busy, who you can edit their style of editing. You can reach out to them that you're an editor, that you would like to give them free editing, maybe some few pictures for free. If they like it, they cannot discuss with you on having a contract with you. Things like that are going to help you get a lot of jobs from different photographers as a retoucher. But another thing you need to consider when you're working with Upwork, Fiverr, or any of those online platforms, you need to also consider how you can receive your money, because they are going to be paying you in dollars. So how do you get your money if you're in Nigeria in naira? All right. So then for if you reach out to online clients and they are going to pay you in dollars, how do you get your money as a Nigerian, since you are in Nigeria? How do you get it in naira? So if you need more information on that, please leave a comment in the comment section and I'll talk about how you can receive payment. However, I've done similar videos like this on my platform. You can go through my videos on YouTube and you can learn for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. See you in the next one.